Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the Totara Learn platform demo. My name is David Song, and I'm a client success manager at Everon Learning Solutions. Today, I'll be guiding you through the powerful learning management system that Totara Learn has to offer. To make this demo more relatable, I'll be using the perspective of a new employee, Alex, who has just joined our company. So as you can see, this is the front page. Let's begin with logging in. As you can see, Alice can log in using her traditional login and password method, or choose the single sign-on option. Here she can log in with her own Microsoft account. We can also integrate Google and LinkedIn or others if we want. This flexibility ensures seamless access for all users. Now let's try to log in with Alice's account, which is here. Hang on. Now Alex is logged in and we're on her dashboard. The dashboard is fully customizable and tailored to each user's needs. From the dashboards, we can quickly access to her last course accessed and upcoming certifications. And in the middle, there's current learning. And we can also see the latest badges Alex has earned recently. All these blocks can be fully personalized by admin to suit Alex's learning journey. From Alex's view, these blocks can be moved or hidden too. Notice there are small arrows here, right? For any unwanted blocks, you can simply click to move the blocks to this left side of the screen, or she can choose to hide all the blocks she doesn't need. Okay. Let's explore some of the more features on Alex dashboard. In the middle part, let's what is in the center is current learning. You can see the courses and programs she's enrolled in, along with her progress, like indicated by percentage bars here. Notice there's a due time alert for her work health and safety certification, which reminds her to complete the full certification by August 31st. Not only the dashboard is customizable, the whole site can be customized and branded with your own color. The look and feel of Totara can be customized depending on your on the client. So let's have a look at some of the examples here. Okay. So the first example is Toyota site. This is Amazon and their news feed, Wella, and yeah, you see there's a lots of examples listed in here. Today, as we don't have much time, and well, I suggest you explore the more examples in your own time. All right, we're back on her dashboard again. Now let's dive right into a course. So listed in here, this is called presentation. Is one of the course that Alex has wrote in. All right, here you can see Alex needs to complete a pre-work, which indicates YouTube video. After watching the video, the next activity will see then only after she watched the video, the next activity will automatically appears. After the video, Alex progresses to the next activity. So now we're launching a scorn activity here. Hang on a second. Well, it's loading. The net connection is kind of slow today. Right. So as you can see, these are the contents that Alex has to breeze through to do a lot of reading here. All right. So after all this reading, and then, well, Alex, we come to a quiz that Alex has to finish. Right. There are some options for her to choose. We can quickly pick some of the answers here and see what happens. See, after submitting, she can see the feedback right away. So yeah, everybody is getting the real-time feedback here. And then after closing the activity, you notice that our progress is being saved. Then you see that the singular dot has been ticked with indicate the completion of the activity. As Alex completes each activity, she earns a badge, which are part of the Totara gamification features. These features motivate learners and create a fun, engaging learning environment. All right. Moving on next, let's continue to explore some of the more gamification features. Here's another example, right? Let's see. So here's an example from another course. It's called Kickstart Your Content Curation Habits. In this course, Alice can see a leaderboard showing a top performing leaders on the curation quiz. You can see Alex is currently ranked number 4. So if she wants to move up, and she has to work a little harder and retake the quiz. But this friendly competition encourages learners to perform better and enjoy their own learning journey. So as you can see, Learn incorporates gamification features like leaderboards to create sense of competition and engagement. Now, let's say Alex wants to explore other courses available to her. She can easily do so by browsing the catalog. Right? Using the search tools, or the filters. Okay. Now, if Alex is looking for something particular, maybe a subject of content, the easiest way is to type into search. For example, since she's an HR employee, he might be interested in content such as HR related content here. And then after typing in and search, she can find loads of content here, right? Another way is to find the contents by category. There are filters here. Well, maybe she just wants to explore resources that might be helpful to her. She can use the filter function here. As you can see, she can browse by contents types, the topics, and the length of the duration. So she can search courses and resources based on her own interest and learning goals. The catalog can be customized to show only relevant content for different users. Another important feature I want to point out is that Learn allows for tailored content delivery based on users' groups. For example, managers can be grouped into an audience called manager and assigned a custom dashboard. I'm going to show it how to create a dashboard later. All right. Okay, so moving on next, and I like to log out as a learner and to switch to the admin account to see how these features are set up and managed. Okay, so let's log back in with an admin account. All right. So you see, this is the account from our admin, John. Um, so as an admin, John can access to uh, various dashboards designed for different audiences and manage all the functional blocks within. So we can have a look at here. You notice on the uh, top right, there's a button called Manage Dashboards. Let's click in and see what's inside. Um, so in the middle part, you see different dashboards here to suit to different user groups' needs. All right. Now we can see some dashboards available for different groups of users. We can click any available dashboard, and we can turn the blocks editing on, and then you um, these blocks are addable, right? From this plus button, we can add new blocks. We can either search or just browse through the blocks, right? See, there's many options for admins to use, right? So, well, admins can can edit the blocks from here, and also admins can add more blocks by clicking plus button. So if the available dashboards are not good enough for you, and you can always create new ones from here. You can click manage that, create dashboards, and you can give it a name. Say this is for managers and leaders. We can give it a name, and then, well, obviously this dashboard is not for all users. We can select to a particular group to assign new audience. So this dashboard is designed for managers and leaders, and then we select them, click OK, and everything else is good, looks good, and then we click Create Dashboards. Now you can see this is a sort of empty dashboard for further editing. Now, when we click leaders, and then you see there it is, and then we can customize it by clicking these buttons, right? For example, well, the leaders might be interested to view reports, right? So we can add this one, right? Okay. Maybe it looks too very big, right? And then we can choose to hide it, uh, fold it. I mean, for now, and then we can, for example, to add some other blocks here to check out the current learning. Well, if we don't like the current learning to appear here, we can simply just drag it in the middle, right? Um, Maybe leader will be interested in knowing who are online, right? So he can click online users blocks. From this side too, um, there are other options for leaders to pick from the right side. Maybe upcoming certification or some reports table, right? Okay, so now we have just created a new dashboard for leaders, and then we can take it off and see have a look. So the next time when leaders want to view this, when they're logged in, and they can view all kinds of reports here, right? And they can view other items here. Moving on next, I'd like to show how admin can create and manage courses, similar to what they can do with the dashboards behind the scene. They have also full control of the course creation and management too. Let's dive into a course, right? How about we take a look at this one? Kickstart your content creation here, habits. Uh, Notice that there are lots of activities and resources here. Well, for these number one and number two, you can see the texts are uh, faded out, which means that they are not available for users yet. The users have to meet certain criteria before viewing the content here. But from admin's perspective, um, they can they can always see all the contents here. When John wants to create new contents, he needs to turn the editing on, top right. Okay, you notice the difference, right? And then, like admins can add uh, an activity or a resource into the course. So click here, and admin can find many options to build the course. Right. Activity refers to interactive elements that we can add to the courses, allowing users to engage and participate. Resource, however, refers to materials that we provide for them to access and learn from. As an admin, John can move things around and see they can can move the contents around, right? Okay. And also uh, he can he can choose to highlight the item or hide do some more editing stuff, or simply like delete the topic. He can do that. Well, of course, there are many other settings to explore. Since the time is limited today, we won't cover them all. Uh, but I wanna have your attention with this one, which is a webinar or sort of a workshop in here. Is one of the interactive activity we can create. So notice that as an admin, I can view all the events, and also I can add new events from here. Like for example, well, we can customize the set the start time and finish time here on here. For example, maybe September. Let's make it October 28th. So this uh, seminar is gonna take an hour, so we're good with this one. We click OK, and then we can select rooms. All right. Now, say you have some rooms, conference rooms available for this event. You can click any, right? Click OK. But there's can be another situation where we want to have this webinar to take place online. In this case, we can create a virtual room online. Now we give it a name and set the capacity here. We give it a description if we want. Here, don't forget you need to paste your virtual room link here. whether it's Zoom or Google Meet or any meeting room. It will work from here, right? Fill it in and then click OK. And then what we leave you to set it up in your own time. So how about let's say we select the offline room here, and then we pick a facilitator, and then right, maybe here, maybe click OK. Now everything else looks good to me. Then I can click Save Changes, and then from uh, this list, now we find our event is set up already. Okay, on the left side, we can set the notifications to ensure that the user won't miss the events. See there, let's have a look. Right? See, there's a lot of options, and for us to personalize the notifications by enabling or disabling them. Moving on next, lastly, let's turn to reporting and analytics. Reporting is a crucial aspect of Totara Learn. Well, let's explore a bit. See, these are the available dashboards I showed you earlier, and here is skill gap analysis. Well, you can notice there are like virtual reports, right? Including the line graphs, pine charts, statistics charts. Well, all these data will help organizations like yours to make informed decisions and optimize your learning programs. Well, that brings us to the end of our Totara Learn platform demo. Well, to summarize, Totara Learn offers a powerful and customizable LMS that empowers organizations like yours to create engaging and effective learning environments and experiences. It's robust reporting features that provide valuable insights to help you drive continuous development. Thank you.